If you've created Metafields in Shopify but they aren't appearing on your product page, don't worry. This is a very common issue, especially for beginners who are setting up Metafields for the first time. In most cases, the problem is caused by a missing connection, theme compatibility issue, or empty Metafield values. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to troubleshoot and fix Metafields that aren't showing on your Shopify product page. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're signed in, click on Products and open one of the products where the Metafield should appear. Scroll to the bottom of the product page and locate the Metafield section. Make sure that the Metafield actually contains a value. If the field is empty, Shopify has nothing to display on the storefront. Enter the required information, click Save, and then check your product page again. If the Metafield already contains information but still isn't showing, the next step is to verify that it has been connected to your theme. Go to Online Store and click Customize next to your active theme. Open the product template that you're using for your products. Now, locate the section where you want the Metafield to appear. This could be a text block, collapsible row, product information block, or any other compatible section. Click on that section and look for the dynamic source icon, which usually appears as a small database-like symbol next to a field. Click this icon and choose the Metafield you want to display. If the Metafield isn't connected through a dynamic source, it won't appear on the product page. After connecting the Metafield, click Save and preview the product page again. In many cases, this step alone fixes the issue immediately. Another common cause is theme compatibility. Shopify's built-in Metafield system works best with Online Store 2.0 themes. If you're using an older theme, it may not support dynamic sources or Metafields without custom coding. To check your theme, go to Online Store and click Themes. If you're using an outdated theme, consider updating it or switching to an Online Store 2.0 theme for full Metafield support. You should also confirm that you're editing the correct product template. Some stores use multiple product templates for different types of products. If you've connected the Metafield to one template but your product is using another template, the Metafield won't appear. Open the product in Shopify and verify which template is assigned to it. If the Metafield still isn't showing, check the Metafield definition itself. Go to Settings, click Custom Data, and then select Products. Open the Metafield definition and make sure it hasn't been accidentally deleted, archived, or restricted. Also verify that the content type matches the type of information you're trying to display. Browser caching can sometimes create confusion as well. After making changes, refresh the storefront, clear your browser cache, or open the page in an incognito window to make sure you're viewing the latest version of the site. If you're using custom code or third-party apps to display Metafields, temporarily disable them and test again. Sometimes apps or theme modifications can interfere with Shopify's native Metafield functionality. Always remember to click Save after every change. It's surprisingly easy to configure a Metafield correctly and forget to save the settings before leaving the page. To quickly summarize, make sure the Metafield contains data, connect it to your theme using dynamic sources, verify theme compatibility, check the correct product template, review the Metafield definition, clear your browser cache, and test for app or code conflicts. I hope this tutorial helped you fix Metafields not showing on the Shopify product page. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.